All right, y'all see that I crumb coat every single one of my cakes, so I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. I always start with at least a chilled cake, if not frozen, and I've gone ahead and already stacked this one. I like a straight spatula for this. This is just what I prefer, but there are obviously tons of other kinds that you can use depending on what you feel comfortable with. I would recommend having a bench scraper though. This will make the end process so much easier. So to start, I'm just gonna crumb coat the top, which is just a really thin layer that you can see I smooth out, super thin. And you can see all those crumbs in the buttercream, which is totally okay because no one is actually gonna see this layer. It's just locking in all those crumbs so that when we chill it and do our second coat, you can't see any of the crumbs. But now that I've done the top, I always do the top and then go down to the bottom and work my way up. It's just something I've always done. But I'm gonna take another little dollop and start at the bottom and smooth it all the way around. Once I've made it all the way around, I'll just start working my way up the cake. And now that I've gone all the way around my cake, this is when our bench scraper comes in handy, because I can take my bench scraper and hold it straight up against the cake, turning my turntable and getting that nice, tight, and smooth finish. And then as always, once I've done the sides, I'll go back and pull the top in. And then I'll get this back in the fridge to chill before adding my final coat. So there you have it, how to crumb coat a cake. Make sure y'all come back for more techniques.